The three main culprits of cracking cement products, from materials to environment all at once. A crack that ruins the whole project. Behind cracked cement lies a triple trap of materials, construction and environment. Material factors. The gene for cracking is hidden in the material, and three details make the difference between life and death. Cement quality. Cement that has expired or is damp loses more than 30% of its strength. Laboratory tests. Poor quality cement crumbles directly under pressure, while up to standard cement only shows fine lines. Aggregate issues. Aggregates with more than 5% of mud will make the concrete less bonded. When the particle gradation is chaotic, the strength plummets as if it were loose sand. 3. Water-cement ratio. For every lin, increase in the water-cement ratio, shrinkage increases by 15%. Thermal imaging shows that when excess water evaporates, spiderweb-like stress channels form inside, and cracks develop as a result. Construction factor. Precision construction is the last line of defense against cracking, with three major operational minefields visually restored. Uneven mixing. CT scans reveal the truth. Insufficient lime mixed concrete with internal strength differences of up to 50% after hardening. Cracks are bound to extend along the fragile zone. Red lines mark the faults in the scans. Improper vibration. Insufficient vibration. Air bubbles are trapped to form cavities. Excessive vibration leads to the separation of aggregate and slurry, and the difference in shrinkage between the upper and lower layers is 3 times. 3. Conservation deficit. Infrared monitoring shows that unconserved concrete loses up to 70% of its water in 24 hours. Comparative experiment. 80% reduction in the number of cracks in the area covered with the curing membrane. Environmental factor. It is the silent environmental attack that is the ultimate driver of cracking. Temperature swings. Measure data. When the temperature difference between day and night exceeds 20 摄氏度, the temperature difference between the concrete surface and the core reaches 35 摄氏度, and the thermal expansion and contraction is not synchronized. A humidity trap. When the ambient humidity is lower than 60%, the evaporation rate of the concrete surface is accelerated by 6 times, and the contraction stress exceeds the tensile strength that is cracking. 3. Wind reasons. Moisture evaporation rate is increased by 200% at wind speed of 5 ms. Data proves the number of cracks increases by 3 to 5 times in strong wind conditions. Materials are the foundation. Construction is the core, and the environment is the variable. All three are intertwined. One drops the chain and cracks come to your door. Remember to like the attention. Your support is my power to dig dry goods. Have you ever encountered the pit of cracked cement? Comment area sunshine picture spit. Let's together to avoid the mine.